Okay, just your otic region, your ear, right? So it's just a big funnel. You can hold up your glasses, right? Right here, the auricle. The external acoustic meatus, is that the word we're using?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, that's one name for it. External acoustic meatus is just the ear canal. And then you see at the end of it, this white spot here, this whole white area, that's the tympanic membrane. It's your eardrum, right? And it fits right in there. So auricle, external acoustic meatus, and at the end, the tympanic membrane. So now we have these little bones right here. And do they have numbers or letters? Just a bunch of letters everywhere, okay. So I just look for the one that's connected to the tympanic membrane, the one that looks like a club. That's where the name comes from, the malleus. Looks like a club. And the second one that's now connected to it, I think I'm pointing at the wrong thing. Start over. So there's the tympanic membrane, and there you can see the one that's connected to it, as opposed to the one that's just floating there. The one that's connected to it looks like a club. That's the malleus. And the second one here, that's the incus. So it's malleus on this side and then incus. Okay? And then this tiny little one here, this little loop, that's the stapes. All right, so we got malleus, incus, and then stapes. And then what else do we need? Auditory tube is the tube that's going down at an angle right there. It's the auditory tube. So auditory tube, malleus, incus, and stapes is what we need in this area. So then next, you see how this is actually inside of the bone? And here it is just blown up much bigger. So again with the color coding, all the outside yellow part, faded yellow, is bony labyrinth. And then all the inside where you see the blue color anywhere, that is the membranous labyrinth. So what are the other terms we need?
Round window and oval.
The round window and oval window. So on the bony labyrinth, there it is. Round is a little circle. And I don't know who did that, because that's just wrong. See this letter here? That's just pointing where the stick would go for the stand. Somebody messed up. Yeah, somebody messed up on that. So the round circle is the round window. The oval is the oval window. Okay? So round window, oval window. Nothing. Okay? All right, what's next?
Semicircular canals.
All right, semicircular canals. So you see the three loops, but it's only the outside yellow part is a semicircular canal, just on the outside. Whereas a semicircular duct, that's why this one's cut open. So the number 6, the gray loop on the inside, that's a semicircular duct that's inside of a semicircular canal. All right. And after that,
Cochlea.
cochlea is all the spiraling part. It just means snail shell. That's why they named it that. The spiraling cochlea. And then what? Ampulla, utricle, saccule? Okay. So first you want to start at a semicircular duct, the inside. And then you travel along the duct and you see that bump right there. So at the end of the semicircular duct, that bump is called an ampulla. Ampulla. The next bump right here, number 8, that is the utricle. This big gray bump is the utricle. And then number 9, the blue bump, that's the saccule. So ampulla, utricle, saccule. In that order. Ampulla, utricle, saccule. So that's all of these parts.
And that's it.
That's it for the ear, okay? So